Hello people, my name is Ferdy, and in the last video I showed you how to install the Elementor Atomic Editor version 4 from scratch. In this video I will show you how to update your current Elementor website to version 4. So let's get right on. How can you do that? I go to the backend. I already have a website made with Elementor with containers and the elements, nothing with version 4. So in order to update it, I go to Elementor, I go to the editor and I go to tools. Then I go to version control. Let me close this. And I scroll down and over here I can become a beta tester. In order to update, I need to turn that on. I enable this. I save the changes. If you want to, you can sign up so you get information when there are new beta versions out or new versions. Now, what I need to do, I need to go to the dashboard to updates. And then I see there is a new update. So I select it. I click on update plugins. If you don't see anything, sometimes you need to click on check again. Let me show you in a minute where you can see that. Okay, if I go to updates, you can click on check again. And I don't know why, maybe this is a cache thing. If I go to plugins, I already have 3.35 beta 2, but I also can update to the same version. You know, that's something that can happen. I click on update now. Awesome. Now I go to Elementor editor, settings. Then I go to the last step, version 4, and I need to activate it. You need to read this, then activate the new experience, read this. And if you read it and you understood it, then you can click on select, activate. There it is. You can deactivate it later. So now if I go to the home page, I already created a page with version 3. So if I click on edit with Elementor, everything you see on my screen here at this big area, that is made with version 3 of Elementor. But now if I click on the plus, look at this. I have the atomic elements, the flexbox, the heading. So how does it work? I also said it in the last video. Here at the right, when you see this icon, it is made with version 4. They are continuously working on version 4 and making it better and better. But for every single element there is in version 3, heading, image, text editor, video, they need to make a version 4 version. So over here I see heading and image, but I also have that over here with the atomic habits, a header, heading, and an image. So right now we see 10 widgets, elements. There are more from version 3, so step by step they will integrate more widgets that are now only available in version 3 towards version 4. The great thing is, if I have a div block over here and I click on the plus and I add a heading, all from version 4, I can click on the plus and I also can go to version 3 and add a button. So they can work simultaneously, they work together. You can work version 3 and version 4 together, and I will do my best to make use of version 4 as much as possible. So I will close this, and in the next video I will show you how to set up your workflow, how to make a framework that can help you to work really efficiently in the Atomic Editor, also known as Elementor version 4. So I hope to see you in the next video. This is a series, so if you want to subscribe, you can see every new video that's coming up, and you can click over here to go to the whole playlist, and I will do my best to fill it with amazing content about Elementor version 4, because I can tell you, it is amazing.